Hi there, my name's Campbell and I'm an analyst here at Forecast. I'd like to take you through a demonstration model so that you can get a feel for how they're set out. Using the table of contents, the user can easily navigate between sheets in the model. You can see that we separate our assumptions, calculations, and output sections within the model. The user guide sets out how the model is structured and the formatting we use. If there's a new user to the model, they can quickly become familiar with how the model is set out. The assumptions section has a clearly gray background to show the user that this is the only section in the model that they should be entering data and assumptions into. The calculation section of the model is where all of the calculations in the model are completed. For example, you'll see volume and revenue calculations. We like to keep our formulas in logical blocks to improve formula consistency throughout the model. In the output section of the model, the user can either see detailed line-by-line information or key summary line items and charts. Now, an important feature of forecast models is the built-in error and alerts check. If some key piece of information was mistakenly deleted, the user would be notified with an error inserted into the model's name. Another key feature of forecast models is the built-in scenario handler tool. The user can enter in a number of scenarios and then enter in different key value drivers under each one. Using this drop-down box, the user can then select which scenario they'd like to flow through the entire model. The benefit of this is that all of the output pages we just looked at will change dynamically with that scenario selection, so you can see the differences in real time. With those scenarios, the user can then press this Capture Scenario button, and it will create a hard-coded copy of that scenario's outputs. The benefit of this is that it allows the user to save multiple scenarios in the single model rather than having to save a number of files for the single model. Then, using the scenario comparison sheet, the user can compare, in this instance, the base case to the low case, and on the right, see the difference between them. The user can also select two different scenarios and see the marginal difference between those. With the scenario chart sheet, the user can select different scenarios and see if there's any key standout differences between them.